Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the detailed process of how to transfer your Google Workspace to another account. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect whether you're a business owner looking to consolidate your digital resources or an individual needing to migrate data between two Google accounts. This area allows you to manage and configure different Google Workspace services. From here, look for the Google Workspace option and click on it to access specific settings related to Workspace services. Within the Google Workspace settings, focus on finding the Drive and Docs option and click on it. This selection will guide you to the management settings for Google Drive and Docs, where you can handle data transfers. Next, locate and click on the Transfer Ownership option. This crucial step is where you will specify the accounts between which you wish to transfer data. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses for both the current owner, the account from which you are transferring data, and the new owner, the account to which you are transferring data. Double-check these email addresses to ensure they are correct, as any mistakes could disrupt the transfer process. After you've entered the email addresses accurately, go ahead and click on Transfer Files. This action will initiate the data transfer process, moving ownership of the specified files and documents from one Google account to another. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found the instructions clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Happy transferring!